Ha kapor shi teng sngi jong ka nyau terek ujemang arjar arpun rio. Ki Khun ki Hajar jong ke Hima Sohra kilas dang bantur Ri Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Kumshi banta bandawa negibor badai pet jong ke KHEDC ban aino ya ke sernot certificate ya usiem badang syajit shen ke Hima upai maremdor siem. Ha kani gesni ki Khun ki Hajar jong ke Hima kilaya lumlang shwa hakala lumau ba bat sedang banyaj paidbah da kejat syaki HEDC la sakhiru bada ki spa ngut ki Khun ki Hajar jong ke Hima Sohra kilas dang banya lumlang.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.